city of Boston certainly shows its true colors during difficult times. This is once-in-a-generation challenge, and Boston is rising to the task in many different ways. We're going to be feeling socially and economic impacts of this crisis for some time. So we're going to keep relying on each other. These are not ordinary times in our city, but there's nothing ordinary about Boston. Bostonians are resilient, forged in hard times and committed to a higher purpose. We are being tested again, but just look at who we are and the strength that we possess. We are medical professionals who heal and care for the sick. We are police, fire, and EMTs rushing to help whenever there's someone suffering. We are teachers and childcare workers who devote their lives to our young people. We are construction workers who build our hospitals, our schools, our firehouses, our homes, our workplaces. We are a city of miracles and comebacks. There's nothing we can't do when we stand together. We've faced frightening situations before, and we learned what it means to be Boston strong.
And nobody gonna dictate our freedom. Stay strong.
That's the strength we need right now. And that's what's so meaningful about this fight. It's never been more clear. We need each other. We depend on each other. Every one of us has equal value. Every one of us has a purpose. Every single Bostonian has a role to play to do your part and defend our city. We've been knocked down before, but we always get back up. And with the vigilance and patience, with empathy and love, we will get through this together. God bless the city of Boston, and God bless the United States of America.